Well, it's no secret that good nutrition alone is not going to make you an Olympic athlete. But if you're not getting what you need, all the hard work, training will not pay off to its greatest benefit. So let's go over some key components of nutrition for young athletes. For example, the question I get asked quite a bit, what's the best thing to eat or drink before competition or practice? Now, if you're like me, your stomach's probably a little bit on edge before a big game, so we want to be sensitive to that. Thus, some of my favorite things include fruits and vegetables. My favorite is bananas. Easy on the stomach, provide potassium, and provide good quick energy sources. Other things like melons can be good because they have sugar sources, fluid, and they taste pretty good. Once you're in the game, what's a good thing to have? Again, things that are easier on the stomach that provide appropriate energy sources. For example, those melons and fruits and vegetables go a long way. If we're looking at things to take between games in a tournament day, I'm a big fan of peanut butter. I'm a big fan of chocolate milk. I'm a big fan of Greek yogurt because they give you protein and they give you calcium and vitamin D that are important. Let's not forget the importance of water and fluids, especially on a hot day. And then once we're done, after activity, what are those key things that we can get into our body to help muscle recovery and bone development? Again, I'm going to go with whole food sources like chocolate milk, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, trail mix, and tofu. Cruciferous vegetables on the list, these all have protein, these all have additional vitamins, and these are easy to find, easy to bring with you, and easy for you to have available at all times. As we look at general nutrition throughout the day, we want to make sure we're not hungry throughout the day and we're making good choices with snacks. We want to look at some of the things we've talked about, like your trail mix, hard-boiled eggs, and Greek yogurt for overall snacks. And we want to focus on water as probably the primary beverage throughout the day. Sport beverages, maybe if you're exercising over an hour, maybe if you're sweating quite a bit, but otherwise water gives you a lot of fluid that you need with not a lot of extra sugar. So in general, I'm a big fan of whole food sources. I'm a big fan of fruits and vegetables, especially before activity. I'm a big fan of some of your protein sources during and after activity. And I'm definitely available to sit down with young athletes and their families to talk more in depth about how to fuel them to do their best on the field and in the classroom.